guys, we got a real treat today. I'm gonna take you through the life of a cleaner. I'm gonna go wake my wife up. She's in bed. She's gonna clean a house today. And I'm gonna show you her attitude on cleaning day. Let's go. Here we go. Lucy, let's go wake up Jessica. Okay, we're in the room. Let's see what she says. Oh, there's the kids. Babe, it's cleaning day.
It's cleaning day? Oh, cleaning day.
Okay, is that what cleaning day really looks like?
Oh yeah. Every time.
What does cleaning day look? How do you feel when you wake up on cleaning day? Are you a little anxious or?
I am a little anxious. Actually, I'm a little excited. I'm ready to like get it done.
Yeah.
And I always want to do a good job. That's really not fake in me.
Well,
I want to do too good of a job.
Here. I like your cleaning mobile, our old faithful Scion.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we got a lot of things in here, and what I think we'll do, if it's all right with you,
It's all right with me, I guess.
is that we're going to go through some of the cleaning products and just kind of tell what you use different products for. Let's just start from left to right. So we got, first thing, we got a little step ladder. That's pretty obvious. We use that for...
Well, we use that for getting to high cabinets. There's been many times I've gotten to houses and I really wished I had that.
Yeah.
So now it always comes with me.
Okay. I see we got the faithful backpack vacuum back there, which we love. We got other videos about it. Why don't you take me through the red Caddy? What are some of the products we have in it?
Okay, we've got the Swiffer dusters. These are extra dusters that you put on this yellow
How much?
stick.
Okay, let's talk about that Swifter duster.
Uh-huh.
About how much does a box of 10 Swifters cost, give or take?
It's kind of pricey. I think this was like, see, these are just one-sided dusters. You can get two-sided dusters. Oh gosh, like $7 for 10.
Yeah, I think so. It would be worth exploring if you want to do Swifter or the off-brand.
They will both clean the dust. They will both get the cobwebs.
They will. I'm guessing $7 to $10 for that box of 10. What else do we got here?
I believe that's what I just said. Okay.
They want to hear my melodic voice
the
tell them.
Professional that's not cleaning today.
Okay, thank you.
Easy off.
Easy Off. Now, I love Easy Off. I
Really?
love it.
I've never heard that before.
Yes.
Okay, he likes the heavy duty. I do too. I want to get the job.
So, a couple things about heavy duty, because I know there's a lot of people watching this. Do not breathe this stuff in. It's really bad. I wouldn't even breathe. The fume free is much better from a fume standpoint, but still, don't breathe in that stuff. It's nasty. The heavy duty, yes.
Wear gloves.
And I'm just going to tell you, the heavy duty is superior to the fume free. So if you got a really dirty oven, use heavy duty.
And to let you know, what I do is I wrap my arm in paper towels, and that's how I wipe it out.
Do you really?
Oh, you didn't know that? So that way the product doesn't get on my...
All right. Okay. What else we got here?
We've got stainless steel polish.
Yes. Okay. Zepp stainless steel. Now, I know you're talking, but I just...
You can't help yourself.
I can't help myself. This stuff is such good stainless steel polish. I'm telling you, if you have stainless steel and it's dirty, this stuff, it is awesome. Do you agree?
I totally agree. And this is just wood cleaner. Everybody knows it. Pledge. I love it because it leaves a nice smell when you're shining the wood up. If there's furniture to be shined,
it's polished. Yep.
And then we've got...
What is that now? What do you do with that?
This is very important. If you left garbage all around your house and it was clean, but there was garbage everywhere, you'd be in big trouble.
So that is what we call a trash bag.
Very important. Okay.
You're not laughing at my joke.
I've got stuff to do today.
All right,
done.
let's move over to the white Caddy. Oh.
Pumice stone.
Ooh, okay. A pumice stone or pumice stone, some kind of different name.
Trick your best, like it'll save you every time and make the house owner think, whoa, these are really good cleaners, which we are. But,
oh, thank you for saying that.
This will clean whatever the oven
Will you hold it still, please, so we can look at it?
I was getting to it.
You're shaking the pumice stone.
I mean, there's not much to see.
No. We want to see it. Okay, tell me about it.
Whatever the oven off does not get off the oven.
Yeah.
You take this and you actually scrape it onto that spot on the oven. Get in the oven and scrape it off. Yes, you do. And it'll come off, and you will have a brand spanking new oven.
Please check for scratching though when you use this. Okay,
and if
sorry.
it scratches, it's little scratches, and it's way more impressive than your tiny little scratches. Now, the toilet also benefits from this.
Oh, the toilet. Whoa, we're talking about the toilet.
You know that ring around the toilet?
Oh, I know that ring. I know it.
It is impossible to get out with chemicals, okay?
I wouldn't say it's impossible, but okay.
On some toilets, believe me, it is impossible to get out. So you need this little trick. Who cares at this point?
What is that?
This is the pumice stone. Everybody is smarter than you think.
Will you quit shaking the pumice stone?
They can remember what it looks like.
Okay.
What have you not
so what do we do with the pumice stone?
Okay. So we're going to take this, and that ring in the toilet,
yep,
it really can come out.
Yes, it can.
And at this point, you don't care you're sticking your hand in the toilet.
No, you don't. You stick it in that toilet.
You are ready to get it done. So put your hand in there and just scrape. Actually, scrape the toilet inside that ring.
And it'll come off.
It will disappear. You flush it, and it's gone.
Check for scratching. And also, the wife said stick your hand in the water. You can turn the water off the toilet so you don't have to stick your hand in the water. I would say turn the water off. All right.
It is, okay. All right.
All right, so let's talk about...
It would be clean water. I mean, you're not sticking it in like nasty water.
Let's move on. My love, I hate to cut you off as we're talking about cleaning supplies, but the video...
I have so many more tips.
The video is getting long. Let's finish off with the Fabuloso. Tell me what you do with that.
Oh, this is very multi-purpose.
Pull it up so we can see it, babe. All right, there we go.
This is very multi-purpose. Today, I'll be mopping the floors with this, meaning I'm not just pouring this in the bucket and taking my mop and mopping fully with this.
Okay.
I need to water it down, okay?
Oh.
And I water it down a lot.
I believe they call it cutting in the industry.
Okay. This much Fabuloso to this much water.
Okay.
Okay.
And one last tip, what do we do with the toilets after we clean them?
Unfortunately, I was about to say that until you interrupted.
Oh.
Yeah, you pour this in the toilet every time you clean it, and it's a sign to the homeowner that, oh, they clean this toilet.
Yes, we love to come into a house and leave our little purple stuff in the toilet so that people know it's been cleaned.
And it smells good.
Oh, it does. Okay, so let's conclude the video. So all these people watching our crazy cleaning video, what if they want more videos? Where can they what should they do to our YouTube channel?
Like the video.
Oh, like the video, yeah.
Okay.
Subscribe
to turncleanservices.com.
No. Subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Is that the name of the YouTube channel?
Say subscribe.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel.
All right, and you'll get great videos.
And you always get quality, great videos.
Wonderful. Oh, and the babe.
Oh.
The cleaning babe. All right, we'll see you next time on How Do I Clean?